A warm welcome to all. My name is Sajid Keshwan, and the channel name is Wiz IQ AI. And in this channel, what I do is I take a specific issue which may be relevant to many, and I think about the AI tools which can solve that problem. So today I'm covering usage of AI tools to create ready to use Excel templates within 5 to 10 minutes. And I will use ChatGPT and Perplexity. Both of them are freely available, provided for Perplexity you have an Airtel connection. It's free for 1 year. So let's quickly get into the act, and I would first show you what template I have in mind. That you have to think through. ChatGPT can help you, but this is the template I want. I want a sales CRM and pipeline tracker which tracks leads. It has drop down stages, auto calculates conversion rates, deal velocity means how fast the deal was closed, win loss ratio, and it has a dashboard with some details in it. So what I will do is I'll copy it from here. Excuse me, and I will go to chat gpt and I would give some basic prompt. Always when you're giving a prompt, you have to first tell chat gpt what role it's supposed to play. So I'll say act like a top excel coder and also an top notch prompter, and give me the right prompt to come up with this excel template. I will leave this all these prompts in the description so you don't have to make a note. So some spelling mistakes I'm correcting here. Come up with this Excel template. And I'll just copy what my requirement is below. Simple so far. So let me click on this. And now ChatGPT has done the job. It has given me a prompt for Excel template creation with all these details. I will push it little more. It's called nudge. Ensure rewrite it to make it the best template in sales ever. And think like a McKinsey, which is a top notch consulting firm. So it's now rewriting it from a consulting angle to ensure that any loopholes are covered and the template covers all the details that are required to be there. So now what I'll do is I'll copy this entire template from here till here. And now I'll go to Perplexity, which is another tool I have. And here you need to select the option called labs. There are three options here. One is basic search, one is deep search, and the third one is the labs. So you need to select the lab option and you can just paste this template here. And now as you see, it's creating the plan and it says it will take 13 minutes for Perplexity to create the template for me. Let's see what kind of template it creates, and I'll come back as soon as the template is ready. So now I'll open the template that we have created just now. It's called World Class Sales Template. Let's see how it is. It's giving me some messages. The workbook contains links to one or more external sources that could not. That's okay. I'll click on update. Looks like there is some minor issue. The Excel template which has been created is not the perfect one. So you see the pipeline data which has come here. There are lookup tables which would be used. KPIs have been automatically populated. Then there is an executive dashboard here. Oh, so the executive dashboard, if you see, so what Perplexity has done is it has automatically filled some dummy data. It has taken some US based data and it has automatically filled it. But for some reason, if you see the executive dashboard is not getting populated, there is some formula error in it. So let me do this. So what I did when I saw this is I went back to Perplexity and I said executive dashboard is not populating. Rest all are populating well. Can you make fixes? So Perplexity again took some time, 3 4 minutes, and then it said executive dashboard is issue is fixed. So the revised file was this one, Sales CRM Pipeline Tracker underscore fixed. So it is giving the file name itself as fixed. So if you open this one, which is a new template. This is the fixed template. So if you see, what all do you see here? It has created a pipeline data. That means which all deals we are focusing on at this point in time. What's the company name? Who is our contact point in that firm? What's their email ID? What's their phone number? I did not give any of this information. ChatGPT prompt automatically ensured that all the relevant details for the best in class sales CRM pipeline tracker should have all these elements. Then we put a top consulting firm lens to ensure that the consultant actually checks whether all the required categories and data points are there. Can you see this? Deal stage, deal value, what is the probability percentage? Here it says 75%, here it says 10%. What date it was created? What is the expected date of closure? Actual deal closure date was when? How many are open? How many are won? How many are lost? And the notes. So they have created some lookup tables also, which would be used at different stages for categories and for different drop downs. They have also populated. So ChatGPT, when we decided on the prompt, it automatically gave me which all metrics to focus on, which will give the accurate data. So it gives me the total pipeline value so that I have a good idea what kind of revenue forecast we have. And then how many deals are currently being worked upon, how many are open, how many are won, how many are lost, what is the win ratio. All of I'm sorry, my battery charge is really low. All of these things are being focused upon. Conversion rate itself is being populated as well. Once you go to the executive dashboard, see, it has fixed it now. This was an issue before, but now if you see, the executive dashboard is also being populated, and there is an this is not populated properly, but there is a uh, instruction sheet also, which tells you as to what all instructions to follow, so that you can just wrap the text here, and I think it should be fine. Can you see all the instructions are there? So guys, this is the way you can actually create any kind of template. I have just given an example of sales template, but you can use the same method to create any template that you wish to create in your organization. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel, and also forward this video to your friends who would be interested in knowing about this. Till we meet again, take care.